Hello, everybody. Today we are talking about something truly wonderful, something that can change the way you feel in your own body. I'm talking about the power of massage. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. You've heard about it, your friends have told you how amazing it is, but you've never taken that step for yourself. Or maybe you have had one before, but still feel a little nervous. Welcome to Structural Therapeutics. I'm Miss Eclectic's assistant, and we're here to teach you about the ins and outs of massage and its many benefits. We are going to walk through this journey together, step by beautiful step. This is about giving back to yourself. It is a necessity for a well-lived life. A massage is your time to fill your own cup back up. It's a moment to quiet the noise. It's a moment to listen to your body. So take a deep breath with me right now. Inhale all the possibility, and exhale all the worry. All right, so you've booked the appointment. That is the first fantastic step. It's simpler than you think. The most important thing is to show up as you are. Avoid a heavy meal right before. A light snack is fine. Try to hydrate throughout the day. Your muscles will need the hydration, trust me. Wear whatever makes you feel comfortable, easy to remove and put back on. Leave restrictive outfits at home. Choose comfort, always. Avoid wearing makeup so you don't have to worry about getting it smeared or ruined during your session. Remove any jewelry when you first arrive so it doesn't take away from your session. Arrive a little early, about 10 to 15 minutes. It helps you transition into a calmer state of being. Sit, sip a tea or water if offered, and just breathe. Remember to silence your phone so it doesn't disrupt your peace. Before you go in, check in with your body. Where do you hold tension? Knowing the spots that need more attention helps you communicate with your therapist and get the work you came in for. This is your body. You are its greatest advocate. Think about your needs beforehand. Walk in feeling confident and ready to receive. The moment you walk through that door, you will feel it. The energy shifts. The air often smells gently of cleansing essential oils. You'll be greeted at reception and asked to check in. Most places ask you to fill out a short intake form about health, allergies, injuries. Be honest. This information is confidential and helps tailor a safe session. You might want general relaxation, pain relief for a specific area, or stress reduction. After forms, sit in the designated waiting area and set your intentions in your mind as to what kind of experience you want. When ready, you'll meet your therapist. They'll introduce themselves and walk you to the treatment room. They'll review your intake and ask a few questions, where this is your time to open up. Tell them where you feel tension or pain and any areas to avoid. Keeping clothes on certain areas, like socks left on the feet for example, sets a boundary not to touch. Discuss pressure, deep and firm or lighter and gentler. There's no right or wrong. They'll explain the next steps, then leave so you can prepare in privacy. You are always in control. Now, let's talk about comfort and privacy. After the therapist leaves, they'll instruct you on what to do. You can undress to your level of comfort and lie under the sheet and blanket. Some leave all clothing on, others remove some. The decision is yours and will not be judged. The more clothes are removed, the more detailed the work will be in that given area. If uncomfortable, tell your therapist when they return. They can work over clothing or sheets to still cultivate blood flow. You usually have 2 to 3 minutes both to undress at the beginning and then to redress at the end. Your privacy is a top priority. You'll be completely draped. The therapist only uncovers the area they are working on. They will knock before entering to make sure you're ready. Communication continues throughout. Expect a check-in about pressure early on. If something is too painful, say, "That's a little too deep," or "Could you use less pressure there?" If it's not enough, ask, "Can I have a bit more pressure, please?" The goal is to get to the Goldilocks pressure so that it's just right to receive the work given. Your only job is to relax, focus on your breathing, and let your mind drift. Let your body be heavy and allow the therapist to do all the work. This is your time to simply be, to receive, and to let go of everything else. You are co-creating this experience. Speak your truth and be cared for. As your session comes to a close, your therapist may softly say your name and tell you they are finished. They'll give you time to rest and will leave the room so you can transition in privacy. Lie for a minute, then slowly sit up when you feel ready. Moving too quickly can make you lightheaded. Stand and get dressed at your own pace. Your therapist will often offer a glass of water. Drinking more water after a session helps hydrate tissues and flush metabolic waste that's been loosened. So make it a goal to drink plenty of water for the rest of the day. Your therapist may suggest a gentle stretch or an Epsom salt bath that evening. Epsom salt has magnesium, and that helps to relax the body and relieve aches and pains. Simple aftercare can help your body integrate the work done during your session. If you loved the experience, book your next appointment. Consistency yields long-term benefits. Think of massage as essential maintenance for your body and soul. You did it. You took a step toward greater well-being. This is just the beginning of a wonderful new relationship with yourself. Thank you for listening.